coffee cup collection. This one, let's hang out. Hot stuff. Hey boo. Got little cowboys, cause my husband loves cowboys. And then hustle juice, cause that's what we do. So I got these new rugs. One is actually from Restoration Hardware. This is the Venice rug in fog. You can see that. But unfortunately, it's like very expensive. So I went to one of the rugs.com, rug studio, one of those, and I found this nice rug, and it's like the perfect dupe for it. It's just a little darker, but it goes with my aesthetic. Here's my couch. So I think it's gonna be perfect, and it'll give me that Restoration Hardware look I'm looking for. Little coffee cup collection. I'll be using this, but it usually ends up throwing all my drink out the cup, so it kind of been sitting there a little bit. I like this new thing that I got from Amazon to deep fry. Got it off of Tasty, and I've been using it ever since. And it helped my food turn out better too, because I know exactly what temperature it is. I got this little marble thing from Amazon. I was watching the Glam Twins, and they got it too. That's what made me get it, because I wanted some black to put my little spoon holders on. My little tray from Home Goods, and flour from Target. A rug from World Market. You know, the essentials. A little cheap. If you haven't, you need to try this stuff. This right here. Jasmine and lime. Best smelling shit I ever, or best smelling stuff I ever had, yeah. But yeah, that's it. That's the kitchen, where everything be finger licking. That's the kitchen. Here's a little organization that I'll be on. Got a little salt and pepper on the shelves and whatnot. I got a lot of seasonings because I be seasoning to the max, but yeah, that's my little setup. Knife set, another knife set. The thing I like about this kitchen is I got a pot filler. I use it a lot for when we baking big pots of pasta. The oven, all Frigidaire products, along with the wine fridge. I gotta work on my collection, but it's getting there. Dishwasher, Frigidaire, and this Electrolux fridge. I like it because it's huge, and once I get it set up with all the drawers and stuff the way I want it, I'm gonna do like a little what's in our fridge organization thing. But as you can see, it's not much going on in there. Really just drink, because that's all I really do, is drink stuff. Here's a trough I got from Restoration Hardware. I bought it to go on my dining room table, but I'm starting to like it right there. You're supposed to put like, I guess you can put like mothballs in there, make it look real sedity like, and that's what I plan on doing. If you're wondering about this countertop, it's crystal quartz. It's 10 feet wide, so it's a lot of sitting space. I got this rug right here from World Market. It needs to be washed, but it's double-sided tape down, so I haven't really had the time to get to that.
I see the way she checking for a gangsta. When she like that.